Science has a major impact on our daily life. The main truth is that science plays significant role in making many decisions. Science education gives the opportunity to gain a better knowledge of how and why things function. To educate the children must teach science. Agustya Foundation is non-profit organization whose mission is to spark curiosity, nature creativity and build confidence among the economically disadvantaged children and teachers in India. On 3rd and 4th August, the experts from Agustya Foundation done the hands-on science experiments and activities among the BA trainees of Diet Vadodara, which are amazing and they enjoyed very much.